Hello guys and welcome back to another World of Tanks Bits video, and today we are going to be playing in the E100, but this time with the 150mm gun. E100, it is the highest alpha damage tier 10 tank in the game. No other tank can do about 650 and above damage in one shot. My E100 still is about 70% of cruise kill, so reload it's still 16.6 seconds. That is long for a tank. And the M103 just shot at who the shot blind for, because he saw the car getting blown to bits, so he blind shotted me and bounced. There is the 75 and a AP penetration for 591, but he gets me with a premium. And there the Death Star bouncing on me. The T95 Doom Turtle. I tried to check in but missed because dispersion due to being a derp gun. Not derp gun, this is a good cannon. Derp cannon, not gun. Here I am again reloaded almost and backing up to get the shot, but M103 almost got a sight shot on me. But his dispersion also missed his shot, and T95 just got invisible. E75 is not poking out because what I have done to him, and the Doom Turtle pokes out, and this time blind shot, but that hits 1000 to 883, 200 damage blind shot with the HE also. Oh, and I also load a lot of HE in this tank due to me being derp lover. And another HE in the cupola. We are doing the damage. It is low damage about 200, but we are doing it. This round isn't going to be that long due to their light tanks got wrecked by our medium and light tank, and now they are flanking. Me and the Kalpanzer 70 is now gonna charge, and I'm going to say attack as always. There is the Vickers light annoying them for life. Kalpanzer just got by object 2068 shot by him, and there is a Doom Turtle that shot me, but nothing happened. I got a lot of health. Doom Turtle got shut down, and you can see how much of a alpha this gun has. This is the same gun the Kalpanzer 70 has, and there is the Doom Turtle AP right through his front plate and setting fire, and then I got the kill. So that's the GG. Good game. And that's how to play a E100 150 not due to 50. Here you can see we did 2000 and above damage, 2500 damage almost. Third on in our team for damage. Here is the statistic. You can see good game, but not some crazy OP games. But this is good for a free to play player. And if you see all my games in premium account, because I have premium tokens which I collect and use as premium day. So that is the information about it. The Death Star got fused, I think. Death Star's death was by me. And here is the XP and some medals. You can pause to see all this statistics. So this was curious model. I was just curious about the thing, so I started looking at the model what they were supposed to be. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.